you guys, and oranges are also a good source of vitamin C. So yeah, let's drink to good health. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn, and today I want to show you guys how to make a very healthy orange juice at home. So yeah, this is my first time posting a video on my channel, so this is like a new video, the first video on my channel. So my channel is all about health and nutrition, and yeah, and you know, life is all about living living healthy. That's what I'm trying to say, living healthy. So yeah, you guys, if this is what you're looking for, you are at the right place. So make sure to hit the subscription button, and we're gonna, I'm sorry guys, that's my son. You know how it is when you have babies. So yeah, so before we go ahead to watch how to make this healthy orange juice, make sure to click on the subscription button, so, and then also click on the notification bell so you can always get notified every time I post videos. Because if you click on the subscription button and you don't hit on the notification bell, you're not gonna get notified if I should post any videos out there. So yeah, let's do this together. Let's get our health cranky. I don't know if I'm using the right word. And then yeah, let's live a healthy life. So without wasting much time, let's hop right into it. Let's go see how to make this healthy and delicious orange juice. Yeah, this is actually, I poured some in this glass and I'm enjoying it this morning. So yeah, it tastes really good and it's healthy. It's very simple to prepare at home. You know, you can keep the rest in the fridge, in the freezer. You know, you and your baby, I mean your kids, your family. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're gonna get notified every time I post videos out there. So yeah, let's do this together. Let's get our health on board. Let's get our fitness. Let's get everything out there. Let's live healthy, you guys. So yeah, cheers to good health. I'll see you guys in my next one. All right, sometimes I really should have words. All right guys, I'll see you. Have a good day. Bye bye.